Hey coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's session, we're addressing a new bug that you might struggle to resolve. So without further delay, let's explore today's bug. First, let's run code 1 that generate the error and let's see what happens. So here's an explanation and how to fix it. Please feel free to pause the video to read through the explanation. Now it's time to fix the code and check the result. And ta-da! The code is working as it should and our output is looking good. The error has disappeared. Alright, that brings us to the end of today's video. If this tutorial was beneficial to you, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more programming bug fixes. Stay curious, keep learning, and happy coding everyone.